Hey everyone, welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video we're going to talk about dropshipping and why from my opinion it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's something you need to focus on, you need to water, maintain, and maybe you can make a nice living out of it. And if you've watched my other videos, you know that this is also what I teach you guys on how to become successful with dropshipping. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the challenges of having a dropshipping business, but also how you can make your dropshipping thriving and how you can make a nice living out of it. So stick around because we're also going to discuss the keys to become successful in dropshipping. For those of you who are unfamiliar with dropshipping is a business model where you can sell actual physical products without holding any inventory. Basically, when a customer orders a product on your site, you will send it to the dropshipping supplier, and then the dropshipping supplier will actually send that product to the end customer from your name. And this is a very easy and risk-free business model because you don't have to hold any inventory or purchase large amounts of products. I know what you're thinking. This sounds easy, but let me stop you right there. Just because it sounds easy doesn't mean it's simple to execute. Dropshipping is not a business model to make quick and easy money with minimum effort. It's a real business with real challenges you need to face and to overcome. So let's talk about the biggest hurdles. You might think that most dropshippers have challenges in finding the right product to sell. But that's not it. They're mostly having challenges with finding the right marketing channel to sell their products on. Basically, most of the dropshippers don't know how to market their store. Most of you guys think that you need to heavily invest on advertisement campaigns on Google ads, Facebook ads, and even influencer marketing because otherwise no one knows that your store exists. But this is not entirely true. Just because you have ads running doesn't mean you will actually have sales. You need to constantly tweak, optimize, and improve your ad campaigns to be sure that they have the right impact on the audience you're reaching out to, and to make sure that they're actually selling on your store. Besides, you will get heavily dependent on ad campaigns, which means if your ad campaign doesn't run for some reason, it's blocked or you have other issues, you will literally have zero income. Then there's the technical hassle. Imagine if your store is running slow or maybe even going down while your customer is in a checkout. Then the checkout will fail and probably the customer won't return. So if your website doesn't perform correctly, then you will lose sales immediately. And let's not forget about customer service. Even though the dropshipping supplier is shipping the actual product to your customer, you have the end responsibility with all communication, but also with the quality of the product. So if your customer is not satisfied with what has been delivered, then you will need to solve the issue yourself. And you will need to be responsive via email, phone, or even other channels you are focusing on and present on. Dropshipping takes time and money, more than most of you people think. You need to have a web hosting, you need to invest in marketing campaigns, and sure, you don't have to purchase an inventory, but having a website online itself will cost you money and it will cost you time to build a website. Now that having said, let's talk about the time. You've got to spend hours on setting up your store. You've got to spend hours on researching products, setting up your store, writing product description, answer customer inquiries, everything that's related to running an actual business. And this all takes a lot of time. Because of this, for some entrepreneurs, it's very easy to give up if they don't see the immediate results. So if they're spending a lot of hours, maybe even nightly hours, without any euros or dollars in return, then it's easy to give up, right? Well, here's the harsh truth. Most dropshippers give up within the first 3 months of running their business. Why? Because they're underestimating the amount of work that is required to get the business up and running, to get the sales, to manage the marketing campaigns, to do everything evolving around running a business. On the contrary, the ones who continue, don't give up, and keep motivated and dedicated into their store almost all have success and make a nice living out of their store eventually. So what does it take to become successful in dropshipping? There are 4 key ingredients: dedication, motivation, determination, and a little bit of luck. Dedication means you're willing to put in the work day in, day out, even if it's hard. Motivation keeps you pushing, even though the results are not instant. And determination is what will get you through setbacks. And trust me, setbacks you will experience. And last but not least, of course, you need a little bit of luck. Having the right product, having the right ad campaign, and maybe even the perfect timing to sell your product to your audience. But there's no amount of luck that will help you if the foundation of your dropshipping business isn't correct. But no amount of luck will help you if the foundation of your business isn't solid. And here are a couple of key success factors that will make your dropshipping business thriving. A stable and professional webshop which has a good performance and has a reliable look so that customers have a trustworthy feeling with it, because they're literally giving their money to you in exchange for a product they haven't seen yet. So the trust value needs to be very high. A high quality product. No matter how good your marketing is, if the product sucks once it's delivered, they will be out. And even though most dropshippers and e-commerce gurus focus on getting new visitors and new customers, you will earn way more on getting recurring customers. So the quality of your product needs to be outstanding. And 3, customer service. Your customer service is the most important department within your dropshipping store. Even though a customer is not satisfied, if you can help them perfectly fine and your service is outstanding, they will still get back to you because they know they can trust you and can rely on you to do the right thing. Is dropshipping a get-rich-quick business? No, it's absolutely not. You will face challenges. You will need to be dedicated, motivated, and determined to become successful with your dropshipping store, and you don't need to give up. Keep on pushing, and eventually you will have success and you will get the first sales in, and then based on that you can optimize and move forward. Now, this was slightly a different video from what you are used to, since I'm not showing any screens in this video, so therefore I'm very curious what you thought of this video. So please leave a comment below this video. If you liked it, do a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the bell for the notifications, and then I see you in the next video.